Transform your audience videos into professional narrated content with minimal effort and maximum impact. Let's get started by creating an account. Simply enter your name and email. Once registered, you'll land on your central dashboard, where you can narrate videos, manage your account, and access your cloned voices. Begin by uploading your demo video. Supported formats include MP4, AVI, and MOV. Next, define the video type for optimal results. Now, categorize your video to refine the AI narration. You can choose from different types that shape the tone of the narration. Next, specify the narration language to ensure accurate voice generation. Enhance narration with supporting documents or detailed manual descriptions for accuracy. Here, refine the AI's understanding with supporting documents, or provide a custom description for optimal narration quality. Enhance video accessibility and reach with automatically generated captions. Now, let's create a professional voiceover. Initiating AI narration begins a detailed video analysis, followed by script generation and a natural-sounding AI voiceover. Processing is now underway. Please avoid refreshing the page. The AI is now analyzing your video content to prepare a professional narration. Processing continues. Please avoid refreshing the page. The system is now generating a narration script and creating the AI voiceover, automating the process for a polished final result. The system is now building the complete narrative for your video. The system is now refining the narrative, bringing your video to life with a compelling story. You'll notice the automated workflow rapidly progressing, efficiently crafting a professional voiceover. Our AI is diligently analyzing your video content, generating a script, and preparing the narration. This process transforms silent footage into engaging, professionally voiced content. As you can see, the application is already over halfway through, demonstrating the speed and efficiency of this automated process. We're focused on delivering a high-quality, impactful narrative, ensuring your message resonates with your audience. The system is dedicated to generating a final result you'll be excited to share. Processing is now complete. You're presented with a transcript to review and refine, giving you full control over the final narrative. Now, you can easily review the generated transcript alongside corresponding video sections. Timecodes and options to show video or edit allow for pinpoint accuracy. Explore available opportunities with the interactive world map and latest gigs feed, including specialized casting calls. Manage connections and account details, all within the platform. Customize your narration by choosing a pre-made AI voice, or create a unique voice clone for your videos. Now, customize your voice further with style options, preview the sound, and begin audio creation instantly. The system is now converting your video, automatically generating a professional narration in real time. The system is finalizing your video with AI-powered audio integration. See how easily professional results are achieved with minimal effort and maximum impact. The automated process continues, rapidly finalizing your video with expertly synthesized voiceover for a polished, professional outcome. The system is now in its final stages, seamlessly integrating the professional narration with your video. You can track progress with the on-screen indicator. This automated process delivers a fully voiced video quickly and efficiently. Processing continues, expertly combining the voiceover with your video. Now, your professionally narrated demo is ready. You can download it, request revisions, or begin another video transformation, all within the platform. Here, you can refine the AI-generated narration segment by segment. Easily edit the text to ensure precise messaging and a perfect voiceover fit for your video content. Refine the script with detailed editing, ensuring a polished final narration for your demo video. Your fully narrated demo is now complete, ready for download or additional refinements.